everyone, it's Julia Elise. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Julia Elise, and I would love it if you stuck around by subscribing. It's that big red button down below. I know you know where it is. First and foremost, Happy New Year, you guys. I hope that you had a very happy and healthy holiday spent with friends and family just like I did. I honestly had the greatest holiday season ever, but it went by way too fast, and I'm sorry I had to take a little break and just regroup and get organized for the new year, but I'm back and I'm better. So today I thought it would be appropriate to share with you my 2018 vision board. So this is actually my first time making a vision board like this, and I'm really excited to be sharing it with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing my finished product and kind of the process of how I went about making my vision board, just keep on watching. I want to give you guys a little bit of a background on why I decided to do a vision board. So come the new year of every year in the past, I'm always the first one to get super excited about my New Year's resolution. So I'm the type of person that January comes, I write a long list of goals, very tangible, measurable goals that I want to achieve, and I write them down, and I am so excited. January starts off so strong. If it's working out every day, I'm at the gym every day. If it's drinking water, I'm drowning in fluids every day. February comes, March comes, April comes, and I slowly but surely let my goals slip away. And if you're a goal-oriented person like me, this is actually one of the worst feelings when it comes to the end of the year and you realize you have not accomplished what you had set out to accomplish. So I decided to do something a little different this year, and I wanted to see maybe it will work better. So I took this inspiration from Amber Scholl. She does a mood board, and I know that it's worked wonders for her life, and she believes in the law of attraction, so it really fascinated me, so I decided to kind of give it a go. So instead of New Year's resolutions, I did my vision board. So this is the finished product. It looks really cute in my opinion. I just started off with 2 pieces of computer paper and I just taped them together. I'm the type of person that likes to do things in a very organic way, so I took the only 3 magazines that I could find around the house and I used those. I believe in signs, and I don't think it's a coincidence that those 3 magazines had everything I could want and more to get me inspired and ready for my vision board. I just flipped through those magazines over and over until I found something that spoke to me and connected with the goals and what I want for this year. I cut it out and I pasted on, and it's really interesting how my board just kind of evolves into one big story. So now I'm going to show you just piece by piece what I put on my vision board, what it means to me, and what I want to accomplish in 2018. Let's go. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of an overview of where this is in location to where I'm going to be seeing it the most. So hey guys, this is me in my bathroom. This is where I get ready. Don't look at this. This is a mess. But this is my mirror. This is where I get ready in the morning. So I spend majority of my time in here, and I am most inspired in the morning. So I figured this is where I should put it, right by my mirror. So I look at myself, I look at my visions, and we're good to go. Okay, so I moved you onto the floor because it'll be a lot easier just to see everything and just show you closer. So at the top, I printed out individual numbers of 2018, which I thought was just important to put at the top, just so you kind of like stay mindful, you know? And then right below it, I have live your best life, which obviously that is a major goal of mine, is just to live my best life. And then I found this, which I thought was so cute. It says New Year, Better You, which I've never heard that. It's always New Year, New Me, but I like this. It's just staying yourself, but just improving oneself. I think that is just a huge vision of mine. So over at the top left, I found this quote that says, don't be afraid of who you are, and I just knew it had to be at the top of my vision board because so many times I'm apologizing for being myself, and I need to just stop. I need to own who I am and not be afraid to just show who I am, and I'm getting so much better of that. Over at the top right, I put the word happier on it because my goal in 2018 is just to be overall happier with myself, with others, just in general with life. And right below it, I put speak your truth, which I loved. So moving on to my middle section, it's kind of all designated for YouTube. So in this, I found this. I thought it was so cute and so relevant because 98% of my viewers are women. So it said videos for women who get it. So for this year, I want to just produce more content. So that's where that word came, content. It had to do with YouTube. I wanted to produce better content and more content, not only on my main channel, but on my vlog channel. And then I found subscribe, which is awesome. I want to increase my subscribers. I want to grow both my main channel and my vlog channel. And then over here, I have a little moon. As you know, my favorite saying is I love you to the moon and back. It was something that was really dear to me and my cousin who passed away, Katie. And I think that through my YouTube channel, I can just continue to honor her, and I know that she'd be super proud of me. So I put a moon right here just to think of her and just kind of honor her. I love you, Katie. Moving down, I have the word strength, and I meant this to be multifaceted. I want to be more strong emotionally, but also strong physically. I really want to work on my fitness and working out, so that's why over top of it, I put health. I want to get healthier. I want to stop eating late at night. I want to work out, I want to drink more water. I want to feel good about myself, both inside and out. So I put those two kind of overlapping, and I love that. And then here, really big, I have family. I want to continue to work on relationships with my family and continue to just cherish the bond. This year is about to be really huge. I'm going to get a new family member. My brother's getting married, so I thought that was really cool. So next to that, this is not as much for my brother, but more for me. This is representing relationships, not exactly marriage, but kind of. Start dating more intentionally for the hope of marriage, and I put wonderful together. I'm not trying to like scare anybody with that. just try to like work on relationships as if you were intentionally dating to get married. And then below that, just kind of to go along with that, take small steps to feel your best. Love that. You know, if that means getting your nails done, if that means throwing on a fake tan, if that means working out twice a day, take the steps, feel your best. Moving down to the bottom, this is more career school oriented. So I have balance, which I love this. I need to work on balancing my schoolwork, my YouTube work, and of course, searching for a job and my free time. I need to balance my personal life, all that stuff. It's sometimes really hard. So over here, I have the word declutter, and I don't necessarily mean this in the way that I'm decluttering like stuff, which I do need to do, don't get me wrong, but I want to focus on decluttering negativity, decluttering negative people in my life, and below it I have there are better things ahead than any we leave behind. So I thought that was really nice. I just need to, these two kind of go together, just like finding the balance, and just loved it. So down here, I found 2018, so I added the words class of 2018 because yes guys, I am graduating college this year, which is really freaking scary. Hence the now what question mark, exclamation point, question mark. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life, so that's a major vision of mine, to just work on figuring out what I want to do with my life and just how to make a big change. I need to figure out the transition between being in school for all these years into being in a workforce. I really liked this. I found it says the future belongs to an educated girl. I really love that. Obviously I believe that the future belongs to anybody who believes in it, but I just love this because I am educated now. Once I graduate, I can consider myself pretty dang educated, so that's pretty cool. And then I put at the office business because I am majoring in business/marketing. And then on the side it says meet your money goals. Okay, so the bottom is basically me just wrapping up the whole vision board as a whole. Again, you don't have to do it this way, and I honestly did not intentionally do it this way, but it kind of just happened. So I put make it yourself because I really love that. I love the idea of being independently employed someday. I love that YouTube just gives me like a creative outlet where I kind of can just work on myself, by myself, for myself. So I like that. And ultimately whatever I want to do, I want to shine. I thought that was really special to put at the end, that I do want to shine. I should focus on just having my inner light shine. In focus, I thought that was really cool because I need to just stay focused on my goals, my aspirations, and my dreams. And over here I said a better you because that is my ultimate goal, is just to become a better version of myself. And finally I put queen down there because that is what I believe I am, and so are you. Well, okay you guys, that is it for my vision board 2018. I hope you enjoyed, and comment down below if what you do for the New Year's. Do you set resolutions? Do you make a mood board? Do you make a vision board? What do you do to keep yourself on track and goal oriented for the new year? I'd love to know. If you enjoyed this type of lifestyle video, give this video a big thumbs up. Like always, if you're not already subscribed on this channel, I would love it if you stuck around and be a part of this family. I know it's something that you would love, so just do it, okay? Thanks again so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, an even better week, and I'll catch up with y'all later.